Hello, I am happy to see that you guys are interested in learning more about what I've been working on. So, I'm going to show you the latest project that I've done. For those who don't know, my name is Roji. I am a process automation specialist, and this is basically a LinkedIn content generation that would generate content for you every single day with high quality scripts and images. What it does here, it scrapes high quality LinkedIn posts and then filter through those posts to find the posts that have 400 likes or more. 100 likes work, but I prefer going with 400 because that's even higher quality. But you will get less posts because of that, unless you really scrape a bunch of them using the Apify. I use Google Sheet as a database because it's simple, it's easy, and it's free. But you can connect it to pretty much any database system that you guys usually use. And then from then, we will scrape the actual creators of those posts because the creators will usually get that type of likes, will get more interaction, and are usually higher quality and get more leads and everything that that we want while using LinkedIn. So we want to use them as inspiration for the posts that we're going to do. We fetch from the posts that we found from those high quality creators, and then we feed it to AI that would go and use Stavely to do some research online around the subject of that post. If ever that post had images, we will use another AI to describe the images to get as much information as possible. And then from then we feed those all those information with the research that we found and the post and the images description to another AI that will create an outline that our last AI right here will use to create the new content that we want. And then it will store it back into a Google Sheet. And the process will go on and on and on until we scrape through all of the posts that we found. I usually go with posts that were made within the last week so we can have something that's fresh and that still got a lot of likes to show that you're high quality. And then here, what we do is posting it. This AI right here will is actually the new image generation AI from OpenAI. It's very high quality. It creates very good images, but we won't ask it to do regular images. We're asking it to do graphics that go very well with the post that we want. And then it will post it automatically on LinkedIn and store it again in the Google Sheet. So just so we know that everything was done, everything was posted. I can show you a quick example by running this one. You guys can see if I go on my LinkedIn right here, this is my latest post. Something to new. It's currently generating the image, which is why it's taking a little bit longer. And then once that's done, it's going to post it onto LinkedIn. I'll jump until it's ready to post it on LinkedIn. All right, currently posting on the LinkedIn and updating the Google Sheet. Oh, something went wrong with the Google Sheet. I'll check what's going on after. But the most important thing is, did it actually post it on my LinkedIn? And so it did. Full post, high quality. I prompted it in a way that matched the way I usually write something, that I make it as human as possible. And then this is the images that was created from the system, which is great. As you can see, it's very high quality. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. As you can see, everything is prompted very well. The secret, honestly, is in the prompt. You have to really be thorough with your prompting to make sure that everything works the way you'd like. So this one is going to run every single day, so it can just feed content on my LinkedIn automatically. And it's always going to be relevant thanks to this. And it's always going to be high quality because it's based on high quality content thanks to that filter right here. So that's pretty much it. If you like my experience and you'd like me to build something similar for you, just send me a quick message. I showed you for LinkedIn, but like can also work for YouTube, X, Instagram, depends on whatever you want. In the meantime, I wish you a very good day. If you have any questions, just send me a message, and it'll be a pleasure for me to discuss. Bye bye.